Hello everyone. Myself Riya Bhandari and I am the news reporter. Today I will share you very important news, that is Mukesh Ambani nears deal to buy stake in Amazon nears partner. Reliance Industries going is on a deal that would see acquire stakes in some units of Future Group. People familiar with both Mukesh Ambani's industries like Reliance and all, and also Amazon is very famous in our country for our e-commerce business. So, an agreement between Ambani, Reliance and Future, which already has a partnership with Amazon.com, can be announced next month. Here are some important points. This agreement can be announced in the July. This successful deal between Amazon and Ambani, who just secured almost 14 billion for his e-commerce of his investors, which led the buyers to become happy. And Amazon has already pledged to invest 5.5 billion dollars in the country, where Walmart also spent billion 16 to buy local e-commerce leader Flipkart Services Private in 2008. This is very important for our economy and for all the customers who want this. Also, shares of Future Retail jumped as much as 5 in Mumbai on Thursday, bearing a loss of 69% and giving it in a market value of $757 million. And also Future Lifestyle, Future Enterprise Limited, and Future Supply Chain Solutions Limited all gained almost 5%, while Future Consumers urged about 6.4%. Also, Amazon is very much important for our businesses, and this is the pictures of Mukesh Ambani and Amazon, which could be a great agreement for all of us. And Amazon agreed to purchase 49% of ones of Future Group's unlisted firms, allowing it to buy into a Future Retail after a period of between 3 and 10 years. The could depend that partnership in January, with Amazon becoming the authorized online deals, which would be good Future Retail stores that sell everything from groceries to cosmetics and appeal. Also, Amazon provides so much profit to the buyers and the sellers of all country, but it's very good. After racking up with Baini family, it is very good to see this agreement, since we all know that holding firm is very important in our country. The listed entities have a debt of about almost everyone has. Since Facebook investment in late April, Reliance has aggressively raised funds from a slew of private equity funds for Jio platform. As you can see, Facebook investment is also done with Mukesh Ambani and trying to do furthermore. And this could be interesting to see that this partnership will happen. What will be the benefits of the people? So thank you.